Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your country or region in the Shein app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Open the Shein app on your smart device and check if you are logged into your account. By opening the Shein application on the home page, in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile that says Me, and then click on it. Then, on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the Setting option, which is presented in the form of a gear, and click on it. Clicking on the Setting option will open a drop-down menu where you will search for the Location option and click on it. The Shein application will also open a list of all possible countries that exist. It's up to you to search and select your location in that drop-down menu. Once you confirm, the app will refresh and you'll see the products, prices, and options available in the new region. This is a great way to explore the different collections and offers available around the world. So that's basically how you can change your country or region in the Shein app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.